is to partner with parents to help engage families in teaching and learning priority standards in math by utilizing games and activities to increase student engagement. So our hope is that we'll teach you games here tonight, and you can take the materials home, play the games with your students, and hopefully their learning will increase and we can help them achieve their math priorities. That's our goal, is to have everybody at least get a 3 on their math priorities. So we're hoping by doing nights like this that we can get their engagement and their learning increased. We will be doing, our plan is to do more of these nights. We plan on doing another one possibly after Christmas break, and then we're planning on doing another one possibly after spring break, just because those are kind of like the natural breaks in the year for us to do them. So right now we're going to look at some data. This is where your number becomes important.
¿Está usted correcto? ¿Está bien si les explico a ustedes o les explico separados? Para avanzar la reunión. Separados, yeah. She says like continue and I will explain it to them.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Kids are really good at drawing a picture. Great strategy, it's wonderful. Counting on their fingers. Again, an okay strategy. Counting on, which is where they'll put the number in their head and then they'll count up. Or counting back, they'll put the number in their head and count backwards. But usually by their fingers. That's what we're seeing, a lot of finger counting. So while these strategies are great, they take a lot of time. And that's what we're trying to get past. We're trying to get past the drawing pictures and the time that it takes, because when most students were given a problem, they could they could figure it out as long as they had the time. But the minute we involved that time piece was when their fluency went down. So the idea is that eventually we want this to become a recall thing, where they can recall what the facts are, and then they can solve those problems quicker. Okay, so the way reading addition minds works is I'm going to place a card on my head and somebody else would place a card on their head, and then we'd have a third person that would tell us the sum of the problem, and then I have to guess the number on my head. Based on the card from the other person. I have played this before with addition. I've also played with multiplication because I taught third grade for a long time. It is, the kids love it. They love this game. So it's fun. It is way fun. So we're gonna have you guys play because that's fun. Yeah.
Oh, correct.
Yeah. And the kids, I'm telling you, when we start to
Hey, if he doesn't have it, but as they practice, if he doesn't have a second.
Ya ves el valor que tú le quieras dar, ¿verdad? ¿Por qué valor tiene cada 17? Y luego la puede ser el 12, pero dicen que por pero con eso, ¿sí va agarrando? Mix it up. Then they have to decide who's got the biggest. Or who's got the smallest. And whoever does, like this is the biggest, they get all the cards. Okay? y 8. Entonces, póngalas todas juntas, ¿ok? ¿Cuántas tiene usted ahí? Aquí hay 15.
Okay, so
¿Y aquí? ¿Quién tiene más? Eso le pregunta a su hijo. Yo, más grande. La que tiene más se lleva el bulto de cartas, ¿ok?
In here. Now who has the biggest number, right?
Oh, just so that would be this one.
That would be 873. So that would be bigger and they would win.
That would be bigger than this.
Like, here's a different way you And if you already have 10 in your hand, then you can lay them down. And the cool thing about making it really good, you have 7. With making it 10 is that go fish. You have 7? 5? 7? Can get big so that he can and he can get his math done. Yeah.
Our next one will be about addition and subtraction with regrouping, which is a tough one for second grade.
Thank you.
So, please, I hope you'll join us again. It was nice having so many families come and join.